Dive bar downtown LA. Couldn't tell you how I found this place. New city and I'm always late. Saw you by the photo booth, running through what I say to you. Something about this feels so perfect. When I moved out west, you were right there with me. A broke kid living in the city, just holding every moment made along the way. So can I take a picture and put us in a frame? We could freeze forever and always be this way. Cause the best days of my life are ones I get to spend with you. We can hold on to memories we made in the photo booth.
So I feel like I haven't talked to you in a long time, and well, that is probably because I got sick, obviously, from my voice right now, but also like I just kind of lost a bit of motivation to film, but I still like took pictures for mostly my Instagram, which I'll put right here so you can go and check it out. Follow me there too, because my Instagram is actually like on time compared to like my videos that are always like a bit late. So yeah, right now I'm about to head to my dance class. Today was a day off of like normal Korean classes, but we have still a dance class and it's gonna rain again, so I'm gonna bring my umbrella and I'm wearing my hoodie in case it gets cold because it's already super cold outside.
I'll play pretend in a world where I could be a man, for someone who would take my hand so we could drift away. But in reality, to my heart, oh, I long for someone who stays, even if the world crashes.
고기를 소스에 찍어서 야채랑 같이 드세요.
감사합니다.
예, 맛있게 드세요.
네, 잘 먹겠습니다.
네.
감사합니다.
Oh, you hit me like a truck, but now the sun shines above the sky so blue. When
좋아요?
it's me and
네?
you.
The crunchy is really great.
네. What is it?
Pork.
오, 우리 타야린 씨는 밤에 잠을 잘 수 없으면 물을 마시거나 책을 읽어요. 오, 좋은 방법이에요. 책을 읽어요. 좋아요.
I wrote this song while I'm thinking thinking of you. Nothing too much, but it's all about you. Hope you think of me the way I do. Baby, you're the reason of the sweetly tune. And I can't help it. It's love I'm feeling. Can I wrap my arms around you? Can I hold you so close? Yeah. Can I be with you forever? Even till we're ghosts. Baby, you're
이렇게.
And then you have this.
아.
내 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 정신고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 묻길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 걷어졌지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 보면 오늘 맥주 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추 I don't need a little love or romance from someone I just met to take me home. It don't make sense, cause when the night ends, I'll be waking up alone. I might see the northern lights or Paris in the night, but I don't need to search for someone to be there by my side. I'll taste the best Merlot, learn Milan's just like New York. And anywhere I go, I swear that I won't feel alone. Oh, I won't be up all night on my phone with someone I don't know. I don't need to look for London love or romance from someone I just met to take me home. It don't make sense, cause when the night ends, I'd be waking up alone. I can find another fling in pretzel, gorgeous Greek, see that there's no point, then we're done next week. When I see the world now, I see it differently, cause I got you with me. We'll share tandem bikes for two and how can I live without your love? Cause I'm nothing without you. How can I live without your love?
She's still there. What is that? Is that eatable? It's a candy. Oh, very sweet. Yeah, I'll leave that there.
You say that you love me, cause I need you to stay with me. Oh.
Can't even tell what it tastes like. Kind of lychee. It's kind of lychee with fruit. Can I taste this one then? Yeah. This looks so fun. Looks like pink lemonade. I love the little like cranberries. So cute. That is cute. Ooh, nice. No? What is that? Yeah, that's good. Give me a hint. Minty. Oh. Lemon. Mint lemon. Okay. That's good though. That's good.
Nothing without. How can I live? Even when I'm with the stars, I still give you all of my love. You know that I can't get enough of you, so please keep smiling. 'Cause even when I'm with the stars, I keep you safe from above. You know it's more than enough for me to see you smiling. Baby, you're the air I breathe, like a cool breeze in the summer heat. You're the last puzzle piece that I needed. You're the reason my heart is still beating. I feel like I can't defeat it when I'm with you. Really, I'm holding a feeling we had is mutual. Even if I'm physically there, my spirit will always be shared with your heart. Even if I'm physically there, I promise I'll visit wherever you are. Baby, just give me a call, hope for the best, I got us a phone. If I don't make it to heaven, please leave a message after the tone. 'Cause I would hate to leave you there all alone, and I would hate being here on my own.